In today's Retro Tech video, we'll take a look at the LG TracFone. So, this is what it looks like. Not quite the same as Android, is it? Actually, it does have one major similarity in that you can set a draw pattern to unlock it. However, this isn't actually my phone, I'm just borrowing it for the video, so I didn't know the security code and I wasn't able to set it. Let's start by exploring the apps. This phone does ship with a file manager. This is great for exploring the file system of your phone, something you definitely can't do with iPhone. What about taking notes? If you want to be here all day, then sure. Yes, you're seeing this right. They set up the Notes app so that you have to continuously tap the key until you get to the correct letter, just like on a telephone keypad. Seriously, what is LG thinking? I found it tedious to simply type "please subscribe." Here, let's speed it up. I tried calling, but the service has been long since cancelled. What about playing games? Tetris Demo worked beautifully. I tried to connect to the internet, but no matter how many times I tried, it just wouldn't connect. Because of this, it's no surprise that the web browser did not work. Now, while we're on the topic of wireless, I would like to note that I did get Bluetooth to work. Speaking of speakers, let's see how these ones sound. As you heard in that audio test, the LG speakers are definitely very tinny, but that was expected. How's this phone's camera? Definitely nowhere near my DSLR, but this really isn't for a fight after all. Comparing video, we get pretty much the same results. Where large differences become apparent is actually with audio. You see, I'm recording this with a blue snowball microphone, and here's the audio from the phone. Probably not that great. Let's try out voice command.
Say a command.
Play music.
Playing.
What's the time?
Say a command.
Time and date.
January 9th, Saturday, 12:12 a.m. Say a command. Playing.
I literally didn't even ask it to play music. I said nothing. Nothing at all. One unique feature about this phone is its removable back. This gives you access to its battery, memory card, and SIM card. This metal here appears to be an antenna, probably used for Wi-Fi or cellular. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, you've been watching ES Tech and feel free to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.